Hey guys, my name is Ryan, and this is going to be my second video for Excel VBA 101 for my YouTube channel, Geek Forensic. And the last video, we talked about how you can create a user form in Excel. So basically, a user form is a user interface where a user can interact with and click some objects like button or type a text into a text box. And like I said, the user interface is very common in sorry, Windows operating system. Now, today's video is we will be adding some codes to our login box so it can accept the login and password and see what happened after a user click login. Okay, so to do that, what I'm gonna do is to double click the login button, and it's gonna bring up in here. So the code is something like this: if username, no, if txt username dot text is equal to, let's say, Ryan, and txt password dot text is equal to 123, then so basically there is a condition checking if the value in username.text and password is Ryan and 123. If that is correct, then it's going to bring up a message box. Let's say login successful. And actually, the message box has three different parameters. The first one is the message that you have, or the actual message that you wanted to display on your message box. The second parameter is the type of message box. So there is like BB yes no, like this. That's the second parameter. And then the third one is um, the message that appears on your message box. Let's say on the title bar. So let's say login or system login. System login. Now, again, if the username inputs Ryan and 123 for the password, then it's gonna bring up the message box. If it does not, then it's gonna do something else. Let's say message box invalid login, something like that. And since you have if, you have to end with nf, like this. Okay, and let's see if this works. So again, username is Ryan and password is 123. And if I click login, it's gonna bring up the login successful. And the yes no, this is the second parameter, VB yes no. And then the third parameter of system login, um, in this area or portion right here. Okay. Now let's also add a clear button, since the clear doesn't. If you click clear, it doesn't do anything. So to do that, the clear button actually just clear the text field. So all you have to do is again double click the clear, and let's say txt username dot text is equals to double quote, that means empty, txt password dot text double quote, that means again empty. And let's see if that works. So if I run again the program, so let's say type Ryan and password. If I hit clear, that clears out the text field. Now I wanted to have the focus on my username, so that if I hit clear, the cursor will remain in this field. So to do that, we can use the object or set focus. So that's txt username dot set That's set focus. And this just basically tells your program to stay the cursor on your username after you hit the clear button. Let's say again, Ryan 123 clear, and that's it. That's, stays the cursor. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.